Hi guys, Quezada here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're actually going to be talking about Pat Mcgrath glosses. Pat Mcgrath had a website on all her lip items for like 50% off. And I ended up picking up 4 of her glosses. I got these 4. Okay, I got the shade Angelic, which is like a green pink flip. I'll do a phone close-up right now. And then I got the shade Astral Moonflower, which is this pretty boy. It's the blue one. And then I ordered Astral Flash Dance, which is this purple to blue flip. And then I got the other gloss in Faux Real, which is this one, which is like a beigey nude gloss. And let me show you guys all of them next to each other. Okay. So this is the glosses. This is the stunning carton that they come in. Her packaging is always killer. It's got her little logo on it. And then it says the gloss name on this little sticker up here. And then, so this is the gloss Faux Real. It's like a deep beige with like a little hint of sparkle in there, if you can see on the top. Right here. It's like a little bit of a sheen. And then we have probably my personal favorite, Astral Flash Dance. Oh my god, stunning. It is literally like a purple to like blue shift to like pink. But it's weird because when you apply it goes like clear. So that's pretty trippy. And then we have Angelic, which is this green to pink flip. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like a little black dot in there. And I emailed customer service about it, and I don't know if they're going to ship me a new one, because that's like really gross. I applied it once, and then I saw that black dot, and I was like, ew. Okay, and then we have my last one, Astral Moon Flower, which is the blue one. And it's got like a purple flip to it, which is really cool. I'm mainly excited about this one and this one. But, yeah guys, so those are the glosses. They normally retail for $28, but I got them on sale for like $14. So I was like, score, what a deal. So those are the ones that I got. And I just wanted to demo them for you guys so you guys can see. It's pretty hard to tell on the lips, so I'm actually going to do like a phone swatch. I'm going to swatch it on my arm because I feel like that's going to be easier. So I think on the top, I'm going to do Angelic. Okay. And then we will do Astral Moonflower. Oh my god, that one's so pretty. It's cool because they're basically clear, and then they have like a color shift to it, you know? Those are like my favorite kind of glosses. And then we have Astral Flash Dance. Which is basically Astral Moonflower, but with like a purpley base to it. Sorry. And then we have, what is this one? Faux Real, which is like the beige one. And this one is like more pigmented, more milkier than the others. And I wanted to try like more of like a different gloss from her, you know? Like something with a little more pigment. So let me do a little camera thing for you. So up here is Angelic, which has got like a pink to green almost flip. And then we have Astral Moonflower, which has the blue sparkle in it, as you can see there. And then we have Astral Moon Flash, which got like the purple in there. It's got like a... And then the last one is Faux Real. And this is what they look like from the side. And then this is what they look like from the top. Very shiny. I like to zoom in like that so you can see the shimmer. These two are basically the same. This one's pink, this one's blue. And this one's just like more of a colored base with no shimmer. And so far, I love all of them. I think I like this one the best. Then, I don't know. That one's just the best. These are so good, and if they're still on sale, I recommend go get them. This is almost the cost of like a drugstore gloss, which is ridiculous because this is Pat Mcgrath, and I love Pat Mcgrath, and I love her. So basically, yeah, I would go check them out. They make my lips feel so good. It's ridiculous. Like, I feel like there's skin-loving ingredients in here. And, oh, I should do, like, lip swatches. So right now, let's try Alien Shalik. Do this here. Let's do a close-up. Let's see. Okay, that's not gonna work. I'm just gonna... whatever. Yeah, guys. So, thank you so much for watching this video. These gloss videos are usually pretty short just because it's, like, gloss. I feel like it's kind of hard to see on camera, but... the arm swatches, I hope they did well. I hope you guys like them. And definitely, if they're still on sale, go pick them up because you will not regret it. I swear. They're so freaking good. But... yeah, guys, if you want to follow me on TikTok, it's ERICQUEZADA with the number 8. And then we have Instagram, that is going to be ERICNERD. And yeah, that's usually where I hang out. So I will talk to you later. Bye, guys.